to the walkthrough of the Jan 22 IGCSE Paper 1 question 20. Right, the idea is that you should have had a go at this question, you should have looked at the mark scheme, and you should be using this to figure out why you've got it wrong and what you need to do to improve. Then we will talk you through a similar question, which you may choose to pause at any moment to get on with it and do it. And then after you've had 2 goes at it, there's 2 more questions on the website for you to go and have a look at and do. Right, here we are. So what does it say? Express this in the form where that. So looking at it, the first thing I'm going to do is I notice -3 is a factor of both 12 and 3x. So I'm going to write this as 7 minus 3 lots of x squared minus 4x. This you can then complete the square with. So you've got 3 lots of x minus 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, so we need to take the 4. Expand the brackets, so that's 7 minus 3 lots of x minus 2 squared plus 12. Big mistake, lots of people forget that it's plus 12. 7 plus 12 gives me 19 minus 3x minus 2 squared. So A equals 19, B equals -3, and C equals -2. We need to find the minimum. Well, the minimum is when this equals 0. So that will equal 0 when x equals 2 and y will equal 19. And it asks for the coordinates. So that's 2, 19. Right. Now, that's my bit done. Now let's work through one together. Right, so looking at that one, what is the first thing I did? The first thing I did when I was doing mine was I took out a factor of the 12 and the -2, or the equivalent one. So what's the factor you're going to take out? Correct. -2. So you're going to write 5. Minus 2 lots of x squared minus 6x. What do we do next? Complete the square. Three squared is 9, so we need to take that off. What do we do now? Correct. Should that be negative? No, it should be positive, because -2 times 9 gives me positive. Write that out as 23 minus 2x minus 3 squared. So A equals 23, B equals -2, and C equals -3. Part B is find the maximum point, because it's a curve that way. The maximum will be at when this equals 0, so x equals 3. And if that's 0, y equals 23, so the coordinates are. Now go and have a go at your questions. And well done. And remember, if you want a specific question, get in touch. Follow me on YouTube. Send me a comment. Anything that's helpful, anything that's good, anything that you think would make my clips better.